We are, however, still going to give you our tip of the week. The tip of the week this week is dig out your window wells. It's that time of year, people. All right, so when we're looking at your window wells, okay, a lot of good inspectors will call it, that's just another point of water intrusion, and it is in a lot of cases, okay? If you have those old wood basement windows, not only is it a place for water intrusion, but it's a place for insects, rodents, all kinds of other heat loss. It's a lot of bad things happen in window wells, okay? So when you're looking at your window well, go outside. Your window well, the gravel that's at the bottom, or some cases, some people put a mulch or whatever down there, but it should be gravel. It should be 6 inches below your window, okay? So 6 inches below your window well itself, the metal or plastic casing that's around your window opening, that should be 3 inches above the ground so that water can't just run in there, even if you have bad grading, okay? And then you want to make sure that there's no leaves, debris, all that kind of stuff in there. If your windows are the old wood style windows, while I would advise you to replace them, at the very least, prep and paint them so they're protected. If they rot, it'll just get an easy way for insects and stuff like that to enter into the home. Now, as far as the windows, if you have those old wood windows, look into glass block.
100%.
Oh,
I was just going to say, and the great thing about glass block too is that security, they're really good.
Yep.
You don't have to worry about those wooden panes. And then also they make the new ones now that actually have a vent, so you can actually get fresh air in your lower level.
Yeah. Or put your dryer vent through it and that kind of stuff. Yeah,
sure.
Lots of options. But the glass block is going to be water impervious. It's not going to let water into the house, even if you do get a bunch of snow and water in there. Putting the little covers over the top, if it makes you feel good, go for it.
And a lot of times it's like a 2-day process. They come and measure, and they're in by the next morning. They're done. And it's amazing how fast they can do that for you.
If you're in southeastern Wisconsin, West Bend Glass Block. West Bend Glass Block. All they do is glass block. It's, they'll come in, they'll come out, measure your windows. They'll come out the next time, and they'll be in and out in no time. And they do it super cheap. Last I heard, it was like $150 a window for your normal window. But don't quote me on that. Call up West Bend Glass Block and get an estimate. But lots of great options there with glass block as far as venting, dryer venting, water intrusion, all that kind of stuff. Really a great idea. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, you guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know when we put out the next one, give me a bell notification. It's a little bell on the bottom right-hand side. And subscribe. You want to know when I'm coming out with new stuff or whatever. You want to be able to check us out and be alerted to new video content coming your way. Subscribe button's really the way to go. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.